Welcome to my channel. How many Deco units are ideal for your home size? Step 1. Measure your home size. Start by checking your home's total area in square feet. Step 2. Small homes or apartments. For homes up to 1,000 square feet, one Deco unit is usually enough. Step 3. Medium-sized homes. Homes between 1,000 to 2,000 square feet work best with 2 Deco units. Step 4. Large homes. If your home is 2,000 to 3,500 square feet, use 3 Deco units for full coverage. Step 5. Extra large homes or villas. For homes above 3,500 square feet, 4 or more Deco units are recommended. Step 6. Multiple floors. If your home has more than one floor, place 1 Deco unit on each floor. Step 7. Wall type matters. Thick or concrete walls may block signals, so adding extra Deco units helps. Step 8. Number of connected devices. More devices like smart TVs, cameras, and laptops need more Deco units. Step 9. Proper Deco placement. Place Deco units evenly and in open areas for the best performance. Step 10. Enjoy full Wi-Fi coverage. Using the right number of Deco units ensures strong, fast, and stable Wi-Fi. Thanks for watching.